Hello, my finance teacher here, and we're talking about gold. As you see on this chart, which is a daily chart of US dollar index, over the last couple of weeks, dollar has been going down, and this usually helps gold to move up. However, over the same 2 weeks, gold has basically been going sideways, which doesn't bode well for gold price going into the future. And we see something similar with GDX, the gold mining companies. So what can we see in the future? Well, probably over the next several days, dollar is finally going to give us a daily cycle low, the cycle that would have lasted since early September until probably early December. And since probably early December, dollar is going to start moving up in anticipation of a rate hike on 13th of December. There is an FOMC meeting on the 13th of December, and the market still expects a rate hike at that meeting. So if that is going to happen to the US dollar, what's going to happen to gold is it's going to break down. If gold didn't go up when dollar has been going down, it means that there is a higher chance that gold is actually going to break down when dollar turns up. So that will actually give us a nice recognizable intermediate cycle low, which I have been expecting for a while, and that probably is going to happen sometime in the middle of December or in the second half of December. So we do need an intermediate cycle low. We do need the gold price to stretch relatively further down below this 20-day moving average, further than it was stretched in the beginning of October. We also need this RSI indicator to come closer to oversold levels to finally give us an intermediate cycle low. That will be an intermediate cycle that lasted since early July until probably close to the end of this year. So something similar is probably going to happen with GDX. It might break down in the closer to December as dollar turns up, and that is also probably supported with the tax loss selling that generally happens in the second half of December or in the middle of December. Another reason why I expect gold to break down is its performance relative to the performance of gold mining companies. As I mentioned in one of my previous videos, generally the performance of gold mining companies has some predictive power of what can happen with gold itself, and over the last couple of months, generally the gold mining companies follow this downward trend, whereas gold itself has been only going sideways. So if the same is going to happen, if gold mining companies do have some predictive power in this case, then we might expect gold to break down, again supporting the hypothesis for an intermediate cycle low sometime closer to the end of this year. That's all for now. Subscribe on YouTube, follow me at Steemit, and I wish you luck in your trades. Thank you.